Good morning, my dear students. So now let us try to practice tongue twister. We will begin by practicing the S and SH sound. I want you to follow me. Okay. Selfish, shellfish. Selfish, shellfish. Selfish, shellfish. Now let's try to say it 3 times. Selfish, shellfish, selfish, shellfish, selfish, shellfish. Now a little bit faster. Selfish, shellfish, selfish, shellfish, selfish, shellfish. Now the fastest I can. Now I don't want you to force it. If you cannot follow the speed I am making, don't worry. Just take it on your own speed, the fastest speed you can do. Selfish, shellfish, selfish, shellfish, selfish, shellfish. Selfish, shellfish, selfish, shellfish, selfish, shellfish. That would be all. Have a great day and don't forget to practice. See you in my class. Bye.